Let me ask you something, and I need you to be completely honest with yourself. Have you ever sat in a meeting, watched your company demo a new AI tool, and thought, wait, is this thing going to replace me? If you felt that even for a second, this video is for you. Because here's the truth. Your boss may not be saying out loud, AI is changing your job. But what no one's telling you is that the people who understand how to work alongside it and lead through it are about to become the most valuable people in every organization on the planet. I'm going to show you exactly how to be one of them, and it all starts with one word: care. Welcome to the Care Agent Leadership Channel, where we don't just talk about leadership, we build leaders. I'm Bob Herb, and today I'm tackling one of the biggest fears in the workplace right now. Drop a comment if you've ever wondered if AI could replace your role. Let's see how many of us are in here are together. I'm first. As a teacher for 30 years, I recently started wondering about the profession. Will AI take over teaching? I surely hope not, but it could help teachers. So here's the first thing I need you to understand. AI cannot compete with character. It cannot replicate your integrity, your relationships, your judgment under pressure, or the way you make people feel seen or heard. Companies are investing billions in AI tools, but here's what the data is also showing. The leaders who are thriving are the ones who are the strongest in character. They show up with honesty when the team's scared. They make ethical decisions when the algorithm gives a shortcut. They build trust when everyone around them is uncertain. That's competing with character. And no AI on earth can do what you can when you lead with who you are. What's one character strength you bring to your team that no machine could ever replace? Type it in the comments below and let us know. I want you to shift your mindset for a moment. Instead of asking, will AI take my job? Start asking, how can AI free me up to do my greatest work? That shift from fear to gratitude is what separates the leaders who get left behind from the ones who get promoted. Here's what I'm grateful for right now. AI is handling the repetitive, the routine, the administrative. And that means you, the human leader, get to focus on things that actually matter. Vision, culture, mentorship, innovation, connection. Greatness isn't threatened by AI. Greatness is unleashed by AI if you have the right attitude. Now, let's talk about something your boss definitely isn't saying in those hands-on meetings. Leaders have a responsibility to protect their teams through the transition. If you're in any kind of leadership role, whether you manage 2 people or 2,000, your people are watching you to see if you respect them enough to be honest about what's coming. Responsibility means learn the tools before you roll them out. Have the real conversations. Advocate for your people's development and respect their fears as valid because they are. The leaders who earn lifelong loyalty during times of disruption are the ones who say, I see you, I got you, and here's what we're going to do together. Has one leader ever made you truly feel protected during a time of change? Share your story below. Let us help each other out. Now, here's my challenge to you. Stop avoiding the AI conversation and start owning it. Lean in, get curious, take the training. Volunteer for that pilot program. Be the person who bridges the human and the technology, because that person has a job for life. Enthusiasm isn't naivete. It's a choice. It's a sign that uncertainty is just another word for opportunity. You're going to engage with everything and this new era brings. You're going to do it with energy. You're going to do it with creativity and with the belief that your best work is still ahead of you. Everything I just walked you through is the CARE framework. It's all built on a foundation that can transform not just your career, but your legacy. The book I co-wrote, How to Leave a Lasting Legacy Through Care, takes you deep into each of these principles with real stories, practice tools, and a roadmap for becoming the kind of leader people remember long after you're gone. The link to get your copy is right below this video in the description. Grab the book and let's build your legacy together. If this video gave you even one idea that you can use tomorrow, do me a favor and hit the like button. It tells YouTube that this kind of content matters and it helps us reach more people who really need it. Subscribe if you haven't done already. We drop new content each week. And share the video with a coworker, a friend, or a team member who might be stressed out about AI right now. You might change their perspective. I'll see you in the next one, and lead with care.